Okay, so we're going to investigate a little bit about how spaces works with Python code. So we looked in the example before, we saw how spacing doesn't matter between lines of code. We're going to look at what spaces does inside lines of code. So we've got hello world here. Let's run this and we see hello world on the screen. I'm going to go into this part of the code and type in a bunch of spaces like that. Okay, so there's a bunch of spaces between the first bracket and the first quotation mark. So just have a bit of a guess. If I run this code, will the hello world be pushed over to the right a little bit, or will it still look exactly as it does right now? Okay, so have a bit of a guess. We're going to run it now, and you can see that it actually makes no difference. Okay, so putting spaces between the brackets and the quotation marks doesn't make a difference to the way that Python runs the code. So that's also to say that this is perfectly correct Python code as well, even though it looks a little bit funny. Okay, so let's take a look at what would happen if we get rid of those spaces and put a bunch of spaces here. Okay, so now we've got spaces between the T and the first bracket. Do you think this will make a difference? Will this push hello world to the right, or will it stay the same? Have a bit of a guess. Okay, we're going to run it, and you see it also makes no difference. Okay, so this is still valid Python code, but it's not translating into changing what we want to see on the output. Okay, so let's have another go now. What if I put spaces after the first quotation mark? Do you think this will make a difference, or will it be like the previous two cases where nothing changes? Okay, so have a guess. Let's have a go now. Now, you see in this case, if we put spaces between the quotation marks, that will affect how the text is displayed on the screen. Okay, so similarly, if I delete those spaces and put a whole bunch of spaces between hello and world, you can see that the spaces are also translated there. Okay, let's have a go at some other examples. What do you think would happen if I put a space in the middle of the print function like that? Actually, so maybe like that there as well. Okay, have a guess. Do you think this will work? Will it affect the text? Will something else happen? Okay, let's go. You actually get a problem. Okay, you get a red error that says there's bad input, syntax error, bad input on line 2. Syntax error just means there's a problem with spelling or grammar within your Python function names. Okay, and that's because we've changed the function. Okay, function names cannot have spaces in them, so if you put a space in there, that's gonna be a problem. Okay, so the very last thing we're going to try is, what do you think would happen if we put spaces in front of the print keyword like that? Okay, have a guess, and let's run it. Okay, that also gives you a problem. Okay, so spaces in front of Python code actually has a special meaning. So there will be cases where that is required and it makes a difference, but not in this case. So just be very careful when you're coding for the first time that your code is pressed right up against the left side of the screen, because any type of spaces like that is going to cause a problem. Everything's pressed up on the left-hand side of the screen, and then things are okay again. So you can kind of see there, spaces do make a difference in some cases within lines of code, but there are other situations where putting spaces doesn't affect the code.